Hello everyone, this is going to be just a small video explaining how you manage to measure the ESP32 Wi-Fi connectivity in different parts of our house. Firstly, the way we determine the Wi-Fi signal strength is the RSSI value. This is short for Received Signal Strength Indicator. This is measured in decibels per milliwatt, but I'll be honest, the units don't really mean much to me. What matters is the value itself and what it means in terms of good or bad Wi-Fi. Typically the values range from -100 to 0. Anything below -100 is very poor, basically unusable, and then anything above -70 is very good. Closest to 0 is perfect, but typically you get about -40 to -80. We found that the ESP32 next to the router gave us a value of -20 at best, where having it in the next room along, we typically got a value of about -70 to -60, which is still very good as it's close by. If I just quickly run through the code of how it works. So first we import pins and timers on the ESP, we import socket and network, we connect to the network, we configure the pins. I've just got red, yellow and green to indicate good, meh, terrible, and then blue just to show if it's connected to Wi-Fi. Simple connect to Wi-Fi script and setting up the socket. And then basically just a bunch of if statements to say if it's connected to Wi-Fi, set the blue LED to high, if not, set the blue LED to low, and try connect to Wi-Fi. If the RSSI value is less than 100, we set everything low. If it's between -100 and -85, we set the red LED high, and only that. If it's between -85 and -70, we set the red and yellow high, but the green low. And then if it's greater than -70, then well, we just put everything high. And we print this value, and we send it across the socket, and then just some timer code. And then inside our main function here, if I just hide these values, just very simple. Choose what IP you want, choose what port, and then just configuring and listening to it. If I run this code, we can just have a look. It connects, and from the room that I'm in at the moment, we're getting about -45 because we're above the router. And now I'm just going to show you what it looks like walking down the street with the board. But yeah, bye for now.